for our specific situation, we don't have a lot of people that have one adopted and two adopted from a different race, and so it was really important to us and really nice to have a place to go. Hi, my name is Aslan.
And I'm David.
And we're from Orlando, Florida.
I'm Joni from Indiana.
We are Brian and Callie from Louisville, Kentucky.
Hi, my name is Karen, and my family and I, we live in southern New Mexico.
Hi, this is Leanne from Boone, Iowa.
Hi, my name is Serenity, and I live in Knoxville, Tennessee.
Susan, and this is my husband Jonathan, and we're from New York City.
We joined Campfire Workshop because we wanted to become sensitive to what it was like to raise an interracial adoptee and to learn about the mourning process that an adoptee goes through.
It makes me look at my daughter and some of the things that she may need to experience that we need to be proactive about bringing into her life and making sure that she feels represented in our family and in the things that we choose to do as a family. So those were the big things, just a broader perspective and making sure that she is getting what she needs for who she is, what she looks like, and how she relates to us.
It was really important to us and really nice to have a place to go that we could learn and ask questions and also not be, judged or made fun of or treated harshly if we have some things wrong or some wrong ideas. Cam is just really great at listening and giving perspective, and so we really appreciated taking this course. And so if you are considering it, I say do it. There's really nothing to lose. It is always a wonderful thing to gain perspective and to learn what you might not know, and I just don't ever see that as a bad thing, to have more experiences and a larger community to broaden your horizons and to teach you things you don't know.